I welcome the much dedicated speakers of our FDP, Dr. Veena Karjagi, Dr. K.V. Suresh, Dr. Sandeep, Dr. B.R. Sujata, Dr. K.S. Shuprakash, and Dr. Akhilesh Tegaturu to the inaugural ceremony of this virtual FDP. I welcome Dr. B.N. Arvind, Head of the Department of Electronics and Communication, RIT, to this FDP. I would like to welcome Mr. Ravikiran HK and Mr. Eshwan Yen, the coordinators who have organized this FDP. I welcome the Head of the Departments, Teaching and Non-Teaching Fraternity of RIT, and above all, the participants who are eagerly waiting for the FDP to begin. May I request our principal, Dr. A.N. Ramakrishna, to present his words about the FDP.
So thank you, all the faculty of Electronics and Communication RIT. Okay. At the outset, I welcome all the participants and all stakeholders of this virtual FDP. I'm very happy and privileged that the Department of Electronics and Communication is organized the virtual FDP on the advances in signal processing and wireless communication. It is being scheduled from today till 29th August 2020. It is very fortunate for all of us to have this FDP so that the participants will going to be utilize the opportunity with greatly. The FDP imports to covering the areas like speech processing, image processing, and video processing, and also the underwater network and error control coding and etc. I hope so the participant will get advantages about all these areas from this virtual FDP. I'm happy to announce the faculty who have been selected from various institutes are the speakers of this FDP. So I can say, as a head of the institute with honorary, I welcome all the speakers. I will name them: Dr. Sujata B.R., Professor and HOD, Department of EC, Malnad College of Engineering, Hassan; Dr. K.V. Suresh, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, SIT, so that is Siddhganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur; Dr. Veena Karjagi, Associate Professor, Department of EC, SIT, Tumkur; and Dr. K.S. Shuprakash, Professor, NMA, MIT, NITE; Dr. Sandeep R., Associate Professor, Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysore; and another person that is from Intel Corporation and also a visiting faculty to Arizona University, USA, that is none other than Dr. Akhilesh Tegaturu. So I heartily welcome all the speakers and participants for this virtual FDP. I hope this virtual FDP will going to be benefited all the participants with the great speakers of this workshop. Once again, on behalf of my faculty from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and also from my management side, I wish all of you a very best of luck from this FDP. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I request Dr. B.N. Arvind to highlight the key points of this faculty development program.
Dear participants, good morning to all of you. Dear participants, am I audible?
Sir.
So, dear participants, good morning to all of you. I'm happy to announce that the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Rajeev Institute of Technology is organizing 6 days workshop on advances in signal processing and wireless communication from 24th August to 29th August. The FDP aims at covering the areas like speech processing, image processing, video processing, underwater networks, error control coding, and software defined radio. The presentations are also aimed to highlight the broad areas of research in respective topics. We are able to bring eminent scholars together to this platform as speakers. I welcome all the speakers in this time. I utilize this opportunity to convey my thanks to our chief patrons, Dr. V. Rajeev, President, Rajeev Education Trust, Dr. B. N. Ratna, Secretary, Rajeev Education Trust. My heartfelt thanks to our beloved principal, Dr. A. N. Ramakrishna sir, who always encouraged and supported us to bring this FDP to this stage. I also extend my thanks to the FDP coordinators, Mr. Ravi Kiran and Mr. Yashwant. My special thanks to Mrs. Ambika, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, for being the person behind the complete process of inauguration. Institute of Technology for helping us directly or indirectly in bringing this FDP to the reality. Finally, I welcome all the participants to this 6 days faculty development program. So I welcome all of you. So further instructions will be provided in the WhatsApp group regarding the sessions. So thank you.
Thank you, sir. I thank the convener, Dr. Arvind B.N., Professor and Head of the Department of Electronics and Communication, who is the person behind this complete process of FDP. I'm happy to invite all the participants to this virtual FDP. Make use of this period utilization time. The day-wise details of the virtual FDP will be provided through the registered WhatsApp group. Thank you, one and all.